Hello everyone, it's Chloe here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another playlist slash makeup tutorial. Not really, actually, let's be honest. I haven't done one of these in a hot ass minute, but there's just a bunch of new songs out that are literally like a bop and a half that I have to do. So I thought I would spice it up a little bit and just do my makeup and do a normal playlist video. If you are new here, I do this very regularly. If you aren't new here, you know what I do, but if you are new here, what I do is just basically play a bunch of new music or some oldies and just get ready with me, kind of, whatever. And I just put some makeup on. What is that on my eye? Hang on, oh my god. Oh my god, what is happening? I've just realized this is the first time I'm going to be doing my makeup with all my new setup, which is fantastic if you ask me. What I'm going to do is jump right into this video because I want to film another video after this, so I've got to keep cracking. But if you want to know what look I go for and what music I'm going to play, just keep on watching, everyone.
Power on.
Bluetooth mode.
Device paired.
Thank you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair up. So I'm just going to pin these back, these little bits here, so they don't fall in front of my face. We have a face. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit because I feel like you're getting a lot more of the background than my face. Is that better? I don't know if that's better or not. I'm learning all the new camera setup for this like area, so I'm so sorry if the camera angles are bad this video, but this is like the first proper video I'm sitting down doing my makeup, so I apologize. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face before I play any music because I do want to talk to you guys for a little bit. I do just want to say that I'll say microwave, no, that the washing machine is going off in the laundry. So the primer I'm using is the e.l.f. Putty primer. All the products I use will be listed down below like always. So I'm actually really excited to do this video because I haven't done a music related video in quite a while. I will be doing another recommendation song video soon. I just have to obviously do an Instagram poll and like get the songs in, I guess, but they are coming, I promise. Okay, so now we have a primed face and I want to get into foundation and stuff. Oh, I didn't wear my beauty blender. Ah, that's so annoying. And we're back. What I'm gonna do is get my foundation, then I'm gonna play the first song. So I'm really excited. This song literally just came out and it's going ballistic. Hopefully you guys know this song and like this song. If not, it's fine. But this is called Driver's License by Olivia Rodrigo. Basically, she is on High School Musical the series and she sings All I Want that went ape shit last year, and this year we're going ape shit over Driver's License. I'm pretty sure this is her debut single and it's literally like #1 in every chart. I'm so proud of her. She's like a 17-year-old kid and she's living her life. Now, I don't know who this song is about. I don't really care about the drama. I just really like the talent that she has. Also, I have my window open, so if you hear the birds, I am so sorry. The birds really want me to play this song, clearly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play it. I don't know all, actually no, I do know pretty much all the words. I've been literally listening to this on replay.
I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about.
No.
But today I drove through the suburbs, crying wish you weren't around.
Olivia?
And you're probably with that blonde girl who always made me doubt. Just how could I ever love someone else? Guess you're getting me, but you wrote it, that's all about me. You said forever, now I drive alone past your street. Today I drove through the suburbs and pictured I was driving home to you. Imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. You said forever, now I drive alone past your street.
Get ready for the bridge, everyone.
I drive along past your street.
So that was that. Yep. The talent she has. I always loved her voice because I watched obviously High School Musical, the series, you get the point. She's a phenomenal talent. Like, she has so much talent in that little 17-year-old body of hers. I could not relate at 17. I don't even know what I was doing at 17. Most of these songs are on TikTok. I'm sorry. I feel like this song and Driver's License is going really crazy on TikTok, which is so good because I like how songs on TikTok can get recognition, and obviously the artists are probably really thankful for that.
5 days in the desert in the pouring rain.
Let's go.
And then I found me a lover who could play the bass. He's kinda quiet, but his body ain't doing things we know we shouldn't do. And I fell for that.
Oh, see ya.
On the 4th of July, met a man, Pierre, smoking around.
This song I saw on someone's Instagram, so it wasn't TikTok this time, guys, but I listened to it and I'm like, hey bitch, this is fantastic. Let's do it. Let's go to the light.
We're too dumb, we didn't know it.
This song.
Tell me right now, 'cause I'm missing you. 'Cause words don't hurt, they crush me. I'm shattered, but don't fall apart. She likes to see the rain fall. Always finds the beauty in the pain. When I follow you, and sometimes I feel nothing now. Tell me find out to realize that I've done. She likes to see the rain fall and always find the beauty in the pain. Wake up one day, suddenly it's gone.
This is the best part.
Lights can light up the dark, and shattered, don't fall apart. And always find the beauty in the pain.
While I fix his eyebrows, I'm gonna play a new song I learnt 2 days ago. Morgan Wallen is one of my favorite country artists. Nope, that's not a word, is it? I don't know. He recently came out with Dangerous, the enhanced album, and it has 30 songs on it, and I've listened to them all. Fantastic album, love it. If you love country, you know what to do. But this song and this song hit me in the soul, and I was trying not to cry. So this is called Sand in My Boots. I don't know the words, but I'm just gonna do it while I fix my eyebrows. Thank you very much.
She asked me where I was from. I said somewhere you never been to. Yeah, but now I'm dodging potholes and my sunburn's still right over. Something about the way she gets me tells me she lives in Tennessee. But all I brought back with me was some sand in my boots.
Okay, thank you, Morgan.
She said don't cowboys drink whiskey.
Oh, the laugh.
Something about the way she gets me tells me she loves me from Tennessee. What's the sand in my boots?
Oh my god.
And she told me I was crazy, yeah, but I still thought that maybe she told.
Oh my god.
Tells me she loves me from Tennessee.
Bye.
What's the sand in my boots?
I'll probably play another one of his songs because again he brought out 30 songs, so I have a couple favorites, but right now I'm going to prep my eyes. These are my eyebrows, not really loving them, it's fine. Oh, let's do Angels Like You by Miley Cyrus. It's kind of sad.
Won't call me by name, only baby.
Ah,
Know that you're wrong for me. Wish we never learned on the day I leave.
oh,
It's not your fault I ruined everything. I'm everything they said I would be.
stop that.
Mama says you don't look happy. Baby, angels like you can fly down here with me. I'm everything they said I would be. I know that you're wrong for me. Angels like you can fly down here with me.
What should I play next? Okay, we'll play this song. This is Dad's fault. He made me into this song. If you are sick of me playing this song, you can blame my dad. Okay, thank you.
It ain't my fault, so don't blame me. This Cabernet has a way of dashing on me. There's a hole in the bottle, leaking out this wine.
Shania!
Slipped and let's go, that bottle's full. It's like this in my mind. There's a hole in the bottle. I went and got a new one. Ooh, got the others.
That's the best part.
Now this one's halfway gone, and it's barely even open. There's a hole in the bottle. She has abused her system, and she's paid for it.
See you later. So I feel like we have to... Oh, this one's a good song. This one was on Lewis Capaldi's Instagram story, so blame him. But it's fine. It's just a feel-good song. Dee-dee-doo. It's great.
She's so 4 o'clock in the morning, but the only thing that I forget right now is how to breathe it. 'Cause you have come and gone. Now you're just a number on my telephone.
let's do another Morphe song.
You thought I'd die when you said goodbye. For a minute I thought that I would. Couldn't even fake a smile, even if the bad joke sounded good. It wasn't my buddies, it wasn't my mama. She made me crazy, cold paper wouldn't do. So I whiskey my way over you. Pour it on this hurting. Tequila didn't cut it, cold beer was no use. So I whiskey my way over you.
Great. I feel like his whole album is like kind of upbeat but also like depressing at the same time. I feel like we have to do a Shawn Mendes song because his album came out at the end of last year. I did do a reaction on it but I didn't like how it turned out, so I'm not going to upload it. I'm sorry. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the center of this crease and put a shimmering white on it. Hey. Oh, I put myself in the eye.
I'm waiting for the moment that you let me down. When I start diving down my parachute, still fight. I'm on the road like you used to ride. But you're right, I don't wanna let go. It's changed. You're the one I wanna wake up next to every day.
That's what I'm doing. Yay!
Still fight. I'm on a roller coaster ride. Baby, I'm still fight.
So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to go off camera and do this eye, finish it up because like I want to actually jam out like when I do my face and stuff. So I'm going to go off camera, finish this eye, and then we'll put some eyeliner on and some eyelashes and all that stuff.
How are you doing? What's your name? She says
Okay, I kind of forgot that I was going to do eyeliner on camera, but I just finished my eyes and my eyeliner. I haven't done anything else, so I'm sorry. This is my eyes. I'm kind of liking them, but what I'm going to do now is play a song, put some special. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play a song, put some mascara on, and then get my lashes and then do my little lash line while they're becoming tacky. For my lashes, I think to go with the whole thing I have to do. Why can I not speak today? To go with the whole effect of being extra as hell and, you know, 2021 vibes, I'm going to use Majestic by Supernova Lashes. Again, they're my favorite company of all time, so I have to use that. So let me play another song. I have no idea what to put on. Ooh, Julie and the Phantom. Hell yeah. I sent this to Annalisa when it came out and she loved it, so I'm happy. Okay, let's go my eyelashes. If you haven't seen Julie and the Phantoms already, please go watch it.
If I leave you on a bad note, leave you on a sad note, this means I'm buying lunch that day. When I look at you, it's like I'm looking at me. And if somebody hurts you, I'm gonna get hurt too. That's just how we work, yeah, that's just how we work. And when I look at you, it's like I'm looking at me. Pull me real low, zero, flying solo without you. Pull me real low, zero, flying solo without you.
I'm just waiting for my lashes to dry. This came up on my, like, I was in the car and long trip to somewhere, I don't know where, and this came up on the bloody, I was in stereo, what? This came up on my shuffled. I can't speak today, what the fudge? I remember listening to this in like high school whenever it came out and like remembering all the words. So I've been a fan of Mariana's Trench forever, right? I don't know who got me into them. I don't know if my cousin did or I just found them like miraculously, I don't know. I remember listening to them so much. I just want their voices because they're beautiful together. When people ask me what song I know like off by heart, it's one of these songs because I know every word but like no one knows them, so I kind of like tend to not say this song. I usually say What's Your Name by Jesse McCartney because I know all the words to that song, but realistically if I could play this song for people it would be this one. This one or All to Myself is pretty darn good as well. I look around, look around, look it over. I take it up, take it up and take it over. Step 1, step 2, step 3, repeat. Step 3, then change, step 4, and then it needs a time to be, yeah. When the mirrors and the lights and it's so clear, take the pen in the end, you know I thought you were my friend. Just stop, just stop, just stop, I think I got it. Sorry you, sorry me, sorry every in between. Sorry everybody, you'll never be somebody clean. Ooh, sis. I I don't know why, but that song like just gets me hyped up. But that band is incredible. I bet they're still underrated, even though like they've been out for however long, many years. Please go listen to their stuff because they're honestly amazing. Ta-da! My eyes are done. What other song should we do? Should we do a sad song? Should we do a sad song? I'm up to my face now, so it's gonna be really quick. This is actually by the Goo Goo Dolls, I'm pretty sure, but someone covered it on TikTok, so I'm just like gonna squeeze these lashes together up close and personal with you guys. And they put it on Spotify. I'm like, hello, sad playlist song. But I listened to this in high school because it's a pretty depressing song, I'm not gonna lie. So I thought I'm gonna play it together while I do my face, because why not? Let's get it.
And I give up forever to touch you, cause you're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be. Is this morning, and I don't want the world to see me, cause I don't think that they'd understand. And everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. You can't fight the tears that ain't coming. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive.
Okay.
I just want you to know who I am.
Okay, so everything is practically done. My headband's falling off, ignore that. But I just have to do my lips. I'm gonna play one more song while I do my lips, but everything is done. I don't know if I like it. I think when I get changed, that will be the pinnacle moment of me seeing if I actually enjoy what I'm looking like. Oh, this is a little bit stressful. So I got my lip color out, so let me just play this song. So this is Wish You Were So by Conan Gray. Again, classic song.
This party shit.
That's dark.
And please don't drink more beer. This is definitely not my crowd.
19, but you like 25 now.
Take me,
But the music ain't too loud.
real sweet, but I wish you were sober. I wish you were sober.
Make me say
Over.
I'm riding away now.
And I know we're not just hanging out.
19, but you act 25 now. I wish you were sober.
Real sweet, but I wish you were sober.
Power off.
Thank you very much, Styles. You can charge fully now. But this is my final look, so I'm going to go off camera, fix my hair a little bit, put on a decent top because this is my pajamas, and then we will finish off the video for you guys. So that is the end of this video. So this is now my final look with my hair and my little top on. I kind of like it. I'm not going to lie. I thought it was going to be a bit, but I kind of like it. I think because I did my face and like the lip gloss and stuff, I think now because I've done it all, it looks good. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me playing around with some makeup and just playing with some music and just chilling with you guys. Again, all the products I used in today's video will listed down below like always. That's pretty much it, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. I can't stop looking at myself. If you are new here, please subscribe. Make 2 videos a week for you guys every Monday and Thursday. Again, like I said, all my products that I use will be listed down below like always, as well as all my social media links are down there as well. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.